Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can restore OneDrive deleted files. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my desktop on my computer. So the first thing that you need to do guys is open File Explorer or just go ahead and search for File Explorer. Once you find this, click on open and then you're going to be right here. Once you're here, as you can see guys, in the left, you're going to find all of these sections. You're going to find the home section, gallery, OneDrive, desktop, downloads, and so on. Click on OneDrive and then right click on it. Once you do that, right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to copy it, expand it, open a new tab, open a new window, pin to quick access, pin to stars, and so on. And also right here, you're going to find always keep on this device, free up space, and here you're going to find OneDrive. Go ahead and click on OneDrive, and then here you're going to find the option to view it online. Go to settings, and here you're going to find folder color. Go ahead and click on view online, and then this will take you to this page. Once you're here, as you can see guys, in the left, you're going to find these sections. Here you're going to find my files, recent, photos, shared, and here you're going to find recycle bin. So basically guys, right now, if you go to the recycle bin, right here you're going to find all of your deleted files. And basically guys, if you delete any file, it will go to the recycle bin. And here you can either restore it or you can permanently delete it from your recycle bin. So right now, I'm going to show you guys an example. I'm going to go to my files and then I'm going to delete these documents, for example, by clicking on the three dots and then click on delete. Then I'm going to click on delete again. And then if you go back to the recycle bin, you're going to find your deleted files right here. Select the file that you want to restore and then click on restore here in the top. And then as you can see guys right here, it says restored one item. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.